There is a quiet rhythm to this Swedish countryside that never fails to slow time down. Today, Nella and I are exploring Alby Friluftsgård, a stunning sanctuary defined by rolling green fields, quiet woodlands, and timeless Falu red timber houses. Every step through this landscape feels like walking directly into a living postcard. To capture the essence of a walk like this, you need a camera that blends seamlessly into the journey. Right here, straight from my pocket, we launched the compact DJI Neo2. Operating in auto-tracking mode, it hovered overhead like a silent companion, locking onto our path as we navigated the dirt trails. The goal here isn't rigid geometry or technical flights. It's about capturing raw, spontaneous movement as nature unfolds around us. Of course, flying low beneath a dense canopy comes with unpredictable elements. Just as we were enjoying the flow impact, a stray branch caught the props, sending the drone straight down into the underbrush. In aerial filmmaking, momentum can change in a split second, but after a quick recovery and system check, we were back on our feet and moving toward open water.
Oh, this place is very beautiful, right?
We arrived at the amazing drawbridge, spanning the calm waters of the lake. Suspended over the water, it serves as the perfect gateway between the dense forest and the expansive lake network. We initiated a quick relaunch of the Neo2 to capture the structural symmetry of the bridge before transitioning to something capable of sweeping the entire horizon. Okay, let's go. I take off and just sit back, watch, and relax as we fly over this paradise. Full manual mode. No safety nets, just complete freedom on the sticks.
Just like a flower that's hidden away from the sun, you'll always remember the dark and the damage it's done. You climbed up the stairs and woke everyone with your screaming. And Daddy was mad, the attic was packed with his demons. Looking for proof of the ghosts that you knew that were real. You sat on the roof and waited for stars to reveal. And watching for hours, Orion above you was shining. You stared at the sky and couldn't explain why you're crying. Collection of stones and small animal bones from the moon. You wished for the firefly light in the dark of your room, and stepped on with dread. The heat of the pavement was burning. Awaken the dead, your feet on the earth as it's turning.
Oh. Tumble shot. This was awesome. That was crazy. You know, all these islands and the wind, and oh my god.